In this video, I'll show you how to round corners in Premiere Pro. This is perfect if you want a smooth, modern look for your footage, graphics, or overlays. To round your corners in Premiere Pro, start by selecting your clip and going to Effect Controls. Scale your image down to about 50. Next, go to the Effects panel and search for Roughen Edges. Apply it to your clip, then go back to Effect Controls. Change the edge type to Cut, set the border to 200, and change the fractal influence to 0. Your clip should now have clean, rounded corners. Once you're happy with the look, you're done. That's how you round corners in Premiere Pro quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.